Now, to really understand the scale of this green revolution, you have to look at the sheer engineering muscle being flexed here. Saudi Arabia isn't just using standard off-the-shelf equipment. They are collaborating with global giants to create specialized machinery that can handle the extreme heat and abrasive sand of the Red Desert. Imagine a tractor cooling system redesigned to operate in 120-degree Fahrenheit temperatures without breaking a sweat. On Future of Farming, we always talk about the hardware, and here the hardware is king. These center pivot rigs are equipped with GPS-guided nozzles that adjust their height based on the wind speed to prevent the water from blowing away before it even hits the crops. And it's not just wheat or hay anymore. They are growing everything from potatoes to citrus fruits and even high-quality olives. But the real game changer is the Saudi Green Initiative. The goal? To plant 10 billion trees within the kingdom. $10 billion. To do that, they're deploying fleets of specialized drones that can fire seed pods into the ground with the precision of a sniper. These drones can cover areas that are too dangerous or difficult for human workers to reach. This massive reforestation is designed to reduce sandstorms, lower the local temperature, and create a microclimate that supports even more farming. It's a self-sustaining cycle of growth. And let's talk about the soil. In the red deserts, the soil is extremely sandy and lacks nutrients. To fix this, Saudi engineers are using something called Liquid Nano Clay. By mixing simple clay with water and spraying it onto the sand, they can turn desert dunes into fertile soil in just 7 hours. It's a process that would normally take nature thousands of years. This technology allows the soil to hold on to water and nutrients much longer, reducing the water needed by nearly 50%. This is why the Saudi food empire is expanding so fast. They are literally manufacturing fertile land. Beyond the open fields, they're building massive greenhouse complexes that look like something out of Star Wars movies. These aren't your typical glass houses. They are high-tech, controlled environments where every variable, humidity, CO2 levels, light spectrum, and temperature, is managed by a central AI brain. Some of these facilities use saltwater greenhouses that use the power of the sun to evaporate salt water, cooling the air and providing fresh water for the plants at the same time. It's a closed-loop system that turns the desert's two biggest challenges. As we look toward the horizon, the implications of Saudi Arabia's success in the Red Desert reach far beyond its borders. This is a testing ground for the entire world. With the global population expected to hit 10 billion by 2050 and traditional farmlands facing droughts and climate shifts, the desert might be our next great frontier. What Saudi Arabia is proving is that with enough tech power, any landscape can be productive. Here on Future of Farming, we've seen a lot of innovations, but the integration of the Line project and the NEOM region into this food strategy is on another level. They are planning hidden marinas and vertical orchards built directly into the infrastructure of their future cities. Imagine a city where the walls of the buildings are actually hydroponic farms, providing fresh produce to the residents daily. No long-haul trucking, no carbon footprint from transport, just ultra-fresh food grown exactly where it's consumed. This is the ultimate vision of a food empire, one that is decentralized, high-tech, and incredibly resilient. They're even experimenting with agrovoltaics, where solar panels are placed above crops to provide shade, reducing water evaporation while generating clean energy at the same time. It's a double win. The world is watching closely, because if you can grow a forest and a food empire in the Saudi desert, you can do it anywhere. From the dust of the red dunes to the cutting-edge labs in Riyadh, the journey is far from over. There are still massive challenges, like the long-term sustainability of water sources and the cost of energy, but the progress made in the last few years is undeniable. The red desert is turning green, and the transformation is nothing short of a modern wonder of the world. It's about the spirit of never giving up and using technology to solve the most basic human need, food. We want to hear from you. Do you think desert farming is the permanent solution to global food security, or is the environmental cost too high? Drop a comment below and let's get a discussion going. We read every single one of them. If you found this deep dive into Saudi Arabia's green revolution fascinating, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Future of Farming and turn on that notification bell so you're the first to see our next exploration into the world of insane machinery and agricultural tech. Share this video with someone who thinks farming is just about old tractors and mud. Show them the high-tech future we're living in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one as we continue to explore the most unbelievable projects on Earth.